How to change country, region and language on Amazon app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the country, region and language on the Amazon app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Amazon app. Now here tap on these three lines in the bottom right corner. Now here scroll down and tap on settings. In settings, tap on country and language. Now here select the country and language you want. So for example, if I want to change my country to United States, so find here United States and click on the language you want. So I want United States English and not the United States Spanish. So I will tap on United States English and then tap on continue. And you have to go to the web version of the Amazon to complete the action. So open up a browser. I will select Chrome and it will take you to the web version of Amazon. And now here you have to sign in. So tap on sign in the top. Enter here your email or phone number. Now after you have signed in, tap on your profile in the top right here and here scroll down and you can see my country has changed. First it was India, now it's United States English version. So this is how you can change country, region and language on the Amazon. Thanks for watching.